My family calls me Gora Mithun. I am not at all a Bollywood kid. Ooty was the hot spot for shooting any Hindi film. I have met Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir in my room. I went out and I started auditioning on my own, and I didn't tell any of the casting directors that I am whose son. So I was any other boy in the city. Yeah. I used to go to this gym called 48 Fitness, where Shahid used to come, Ritik used to come, Tiger used to come. And they all knew me because they had seen me. So they're like, "Tu kab launch ho raha hai? Tu kab launch ho raha hai?" I'm like, "Mujhe, I can't tell them, meri band baji padi hai." Then they got very excited. They're like, "Even if you're struggling, then we are also happy." I'm like, "I'm not struggling, but I've chosen this path. OTT ho, TV ho, theatre ho, film ho. I want to work. I come from that mindset. I don't believe in being just a movie star." तभी Star Kid का आना लोगों में excitement लाता था. आज Star Kid गाली हो गया है. A new person comes, we all get fat out. Like Ahan Pandey आज आया है. I can guarantee you 9 out of 10 heroes are having sleepless nights.
दिल्ली का लौंडा दुबई में मच मच मचा रहा है धूम, दिल से पूछ रहा है सवाल, सबसे झूम बराबर झूम. ये मस्ती का खुलेगा यहाँ पिटारा, जो भी आएगा यहाँ सितारा, जश्न का बजेगा यहाँ नगाड़ा. टाइम आउट विद अंकित. टिप टिप टैप टप 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 टप, कॉफी का कप और गपशप लाइट जली, एक्शन हुआ फिर मस्ती मस्ती का उड़ा धुआं. कोई केंचो, कोई वनक्कम, कोई मरहबा बल्ले. अरे आई सेट पर जब हबीबी, दिल विल सभी के जल्ले. मस्ती का खुलेगा यहाँ पिटारा, जो भी आएगा यहाँ सितारा, जश्न का बजेगा यहाँ नगाड़ा. टाइम आउट विद अंकित. दिल्ली का लौंडा दुबई में मच मच मचा रहा है धूम, दिल से पूछ रहा है सवाल, सबसे झूम बराबर झूम. ये
चले शो भी शूट करना है यार. हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे मड में और बाहर बैंड बाजा शुरू हो गया, तो मुझे लगा यार कैसे होगा. I'm very entertained. A man who has a legacy, a lineage rather. नहीं? Yeah. Father actress, mother actress. You are sitting right in front of me, bro. You look like almost like Mithun Da, like a copy. मतलब अगर मैं उसमें करूँ ना तो it's like 94% like that, bro. You almost there. है ना? Like you get this often? Every day. You do, right? And it's like you must be like, हाँ, of course. I'm glad. Very nice. My family calls me Gora Mithun. Huh? So, touche. How has it been growing up with a personality like that? So honestly, I was born in Mumbai, and then we moved to Ooty in '94. The entire family, because my dad wanted to open a hotel business. So while I grew up being a star son, I was away from Mumbai. So believe it or not, Ankit bhai, I have no friends from the industry. None. Nobody. I have only my school friends. Because now when I meet all these Ananya and Janvi, so I'm a random guy, who's a star kid, because I didn't grow up here. I was raised in Ooty and Coimbatore. So I am more a southern boy than a Maharashtrian boy in that sense. I didn't study Hindi. In my school, I studied Tamil. When I came to Mumbai to audition, I couldn't read scripts in Hindi. I used to bribe my co-actors like, "Tu translate karke de and I'll pretend as if I know." Achha. So my schooling is of a Tamil boy. Okay. And growing up, we are very simple people. So I really never knew how important he is until we used to go out for a shoot. First, I used to think he's a dangerous man because people would chase him. I thought he owes people a lot of money because everybody wants to talk to him and And he used to, so thing is in the 90s, he became a actor in Ooty. Like he ran his own, like he became an industry on his own.
Of course.
So he used to usually play a politician, a police officer, or a military person. So I saw him in 3 different attires and I thought this man can stick to one job properly. His professions keep changing. Something's up with this guy. Then my mother told me he's an actor. So it didn't dawn upon me that he's a star. But wherever we would go, there was a bead. And I'm like, hi, he was important me. And then I started watching his films and then I'm like, okay, this is a movie star and that's why he's so important all the time.
तमिल बोल लेते वैसे, but
अब नहीं बोल पाता.
अच्छा.
मराठी बोलो.
हाँ, बराबर, बराबर.
Yes.
But do you feel that it's worked against you? Yeah, it's, or it doesn't matter. Okay,
I don't
not-
have that many connections.
Yeah.
So today, if I have to access Karan Johar, who's now my friend, Karan didn't know who I was until I actually met him and I said, you know who I am. And he's like, you grew up because they'd come to shoot kuch hota hai.
बराबर.
Everybody stayed in Monarch Hotel, our hotel in Ooty. They're like, oh, you're him. I'm like, yeah, I'm him. So we were completely disconnected. So when I came back, I was like an alien in the city. All 4 of us. We are 4 siblings.
Yes, of course.
So then we got to the groove of it. But I am not at all a Bollywood kid. I came to Mumbai when I was 15 years old. So I lived my schooling to ho gayi thi meri almost. Jitni bhi ki maine.
Of course.
And then, yeah, so I don't think it's a minus point. I'm very happy to be not a Bombay boy. Because I've had a very different upbringing. You know, very humble upbringing. I wasn't always in the filmy circle. It helped me keep me grounded.
Do you think that works in your favor as well?
Big time.
It does, right?
Time.
I feel so too.
Because for me, Bollywood is not something I wake up to, sleep to. It's a part of my life. And my father, anyways, is a very low profile man. So we were never constantly in that limelight.
But I have seen like Mithun has, like he has a hold with everyone in the industry. Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt, everyone.
Yeah, because he was a superstar of his.
Correct. And he was a phenomena at that point. You know about the Shakti story, right? When Shakti sir ke saath hum logon ne kiya tha. You know that side of your father about the FTA?
So, you know, that when we were in Monarch, so Ooty was the hot spot for shooting any Hindi film. So our Monarch became like a film city. I met Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir in my room. They used to come and meet dad, Govinda, Shakti Kapoor, all Anil Kapoor. They used to come and sit and have dinner with us. So it was like they come to our hotel, shoot their films and go back. So in that way, we were very much connected to them, but we didn't grow up around them. But as per Shakti uncle, he's my dad's best friend. Yeah.
Perfect.
So there are so many other stories. Thank God he didn't tell you that. But yeah.
He
my
told
dad-
me few off. So
My dad was a bully and Shakti uncle is like my father. Yeah. Yeah.
and he's very raw, and you know how he.
He's a legend. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a legend. He's done 700 films. No actor in Hindi films has done 700 years. Out of which 400, I'm sure he can't also watch. Yeah.
There's that one that I don't know if you must have seen it. There are a lot of memes also, reels
dad?
also. No. I think he's also he's not there in that one. Bulla and
Gunda, na, he's
Yeah.
the hero. Yeah.
yeah, yes.
And I was told by that, you know, we love this film of your dad. And I'm like, okay, let me check it out.
There's
Like, Dad, you never showed this to us. Gave me the eyebrow. What a film, yeah. What a film.
bro, after a certain time I do watch that. and it's either
Whenever I'm depressed, I watch Gunda.
and it's either on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have
And I think it's a very difficult film to write.
you can't man.
If it qualifies as a film, we'll discuss that. But what fun, no?
बहुत मजेदार है brother, बहुत मजेदार है. And I really, there is we're a group of friends. जो ना when we're together, we look. क्योंकि आज let's watch a movie which will just you want to have fun with your friends and watch. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Like that. So and there are few which come up, and obviously one of them is
Gunda.
of course. And then there's Andaz, Apna. अलग-अलग type की होती है, depending on the day rather.
Correct.
But was he strict with you guys while growing up?
He wasn't strict, nor was mom. But, surprisingly, we all were very much intimidated by both our parents.
Because even your mother has been a huge star, yeah.
Yeah, but my mom is very simple. And honestly, I'll say this on record. I didn't know who my father was till I was 12 years old because he was shooting all throughout. Yeah. I grew up with my mother, So when I came to know who my dad is as a person, I was already a teenager. So it was like rediscovering a parent when you have already lived like 13 years of your life. And I realized that they are wonderful people, but they were strict because I was a very naughty child. I was a very naughty child. I was a very problematic child. So I used to get the pitais, but I asked for it.
Yeah. By mom or dad?
Both.
Both.
Equally.
Chappal no.
Yeah, once I got from the Chappal because I remember they were making some sabzi. मैंने cylinder का वो सब्जी जला डाली थी मैंने. And we had guests over. And जला हुआ खाना आ गया the table में. So he threw a chappal at me.
Yeah, I remember. You must have got the flying one. I used to get the flying ones.
Flying one.
Yeah.
He still wears that chappal. It's his lucky chappal.
But you must have seen some crazy parties growing up, no?
None. Not me.
A certain point of time, I'm sure Mimo would have also.
Mimo has seen. I have not seen.
No way. Why? Like, it wouldn't take you along. Or घर पे नहीं. What is this?
We were in Ooty. So
I know, but once you came back.
No, not really.
No?
No wild parties as such. Premieres and screenings and all that.
But Mithun, like, I'm going to ask you a few because I want to understand that part of the dynamic with you also. Is there like you know, on say Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening, like I walk home and my father's chilling, like he's having a drink and we can connect.
The thing is, my dad stopped drinking years back.
Acha.
So there was a time where he would drink every night. But then his health was he was aging. So he's given up on drinks completely. My father is a teetotaler now.
Okay.
But my dad was a fun drunk when he was.
Yeah, exactly.
He was a fun drunk. We would ask him about his affairs before mom, of course. And he had some wonderful stories to share.
Do you know the insides?
Yeah, I mean, I came to know what a stud. I mean, I always knew he's a charmer, but he was a stud in his time.
He was, yeah.
He was. And at one point, I realized I'm crossing the limit. So I stopped asking him some questions. But yeah, he was a very jolly drunk. Yeah. And a very emotional drunk, by the way.
Yeah. Now
I'm very good friends with both of them. I can talk anything with them. I feel I'm very very fortunate that I can discuss anything with my parents now.
Okay, that's good.
And also independence helps stuff.
It does. Yeah. I know the feeling. That's why I'm asking.
I'm sure. How was your relation with your dad?
It's good, brother. It's good. But there's always that father-son thing, which is only not there after. Now it's not there up to.
But was he strict? Was he...
much like you, I was also a troublesome. I was, yeah. Yeah. And I have a feeling you were also, yes, definitely.
100%.
हाँ, तो वो मेरे को भी बहुत ऐसे उड़ते हुए चीजें आती थी, all of that. But I cannot tell more about me.
Enough about him.
Enough about.
It's chill.
Yeah. How are you with Mimo and what's your relationship like with him now?
So we have 4. There's Mimo, there is Remo, and there's me, and then there's Dishani, our sister.
Yes.
So we all are very close.
What's the age gap between you guys?
So Mimo is 8 years older to me.
Okay.
Then there is Ushme, who's 4 years older. Then there's me, and my sister is 5 years younger to me.
Okay.
So that's the thing. Ushme and Dishani live in LA. They are living there since almost a decade. So it's only me, Mimo, mom, dad, and Mimo's wife, Madalsa Bhabi. So it's a madhouse, yeah. And by the way, I have also 18 more siblings who are dogs. So my parents always say they are proud parents of 25 dogs.
Very nice.
They can't even us as dogs. I don't know why. They're dog parents.
Good one.
Haan.
Acha, but you also...
Because my dad used to joke that maybe one of them ही है.
एक बात बताओ, कब realize किया कि this is the line that you want to be in?
The moment I was born. I didn't have to think harder. My nurse saw me and she said, "This boy is a hero." That is it. The seat was sailed. Yeah, but I was a filmy bacha, yaar. I remember watching Shah Rukh Khan and Govinda like a religion. I'm the greatest fan of these guys and Salman Khan. So I was like, हाँ ये बनना है, dad, इनकी तरह बनना है. So I was a filmy kida from the age of 3-4. Because the other day I was sitting with a writer and he was telling me he was trying to be an encyclopedia and I beat him to it. I don't think he's going to make the film with me anymore. I should have shut up.
Okay.
I should have shut up. Because I knew 1920 ka some film, Ala Mara or something.
Acha.
And he was very offended. He's like, I'm the connoisseur. And I'm like, chill, dude.
Of course. Yeah.
Devil aa gaya, you know, what the hell?
But hota hai na, see, closer to our generation, there is still Google. But unke time pe, that's experience, like, you know, kar ke seekhe.
Correct.
You know what I mean? So some are very like, okay, nahi, theek hai Google, but you know,
yeah,
we have gone through that path, we have lived that path. You know, I can understand that feeling because I've had the same conversation.
Correct.
एक्टर ही बनना था या you wanna?
Always. So initially actor, then I realized the struggles of being an actor, the kind of struggles I had to see. Struggle is an abused word. The kind of rejections I had to face. Sorry, the rejection bolte hi mic hill gaya. And but then I wanted to. I was also a writer. So when I turned 17, I finished schooling. I started writing for IMDb.com, the movie database, and I wrote for them for 9 years. I wrote about 3,000 reviews for them.
Okay,
So I was a writer. That's how I started earning money. Then I jumped into acting, and now I have jumped into production, writing, and direction. I've just made my first film as a director. So I was inclined to films. Even if I was writing, it was related to movies.
एक बात बताएगा brother. Talk to me about your, now that you say rejection, talk to me the phase about entering the industry as an actor. Auditioning?
Yes.
You're auditioning?
Yes.
Great. And rejection. Talk to me about this.
So I'll tell you what happened was, I'm being very candid because I look at you as my brother.
Please.
And I know some of these people here. You look bored. And so what happened was in 2016, there was a lady in my life. She passed away. But she had motivated me, to become something in my life. Because I was in that romantic phase that I want to marry you. And you know how we had initially, how boys get. So she said, okay, but who are you in life? You're just Mithun Chakraborty's son, Yogita Bari's son. Who are you? So it hurt my ego like a bitch. So I said, I'm going to become something on my own. So it was like a wake-up call. I was all of 24. I'm talking about April 2016. I went out and I started auditioning on my own. And I didn't tell any of the casting directors or productions or filmmakers that I am whose son. So I was any other boy in the city, And I realized, Ankit, bhai, the moment I left that bungalow in Mud Island, and I didn't tell them that I'm that Chakraborty, Namashi Chakraborty, which means Mithun Chakraborty. I was so ordinary,
Correct. So
my ego just crashed. I'm like, listen, dude, I get everything on my platter. Mr. Bachchan pampers me, but when nobody knows you, you're just another white kid with curly hair who wants to be a hero. And the first ever audition I did, call it luck or whatever, I was selected. It was for an ad. It was for a chocolate brand. And I'm like, see, this is a calling. कि मेरा कुछ होने वाला है. But unfortunately, that very same week, my mama passed away.
Oh no.
Unexpected.
So sorry to hear.
So I couldn't attend it and I had to be with my sister. So I couldn't do that. And after that, the flow of rejection started. And sometimes you get rejected if you act badly. Like, let's say you enter a room and there are 10 more people who look like me. They would look at us from afar and say, you're not fit. From afar, they wouldn't even like look into your eyes like not fit, not fit, not fit. So I'm like, this is a very dangerous place to be. They don't even look at you. But I kept doing that for 3 years. And I was continuously facing, not even rejections, I wasn't even auditioning. Sometimes we were not even called inside.
But why not easy path क्यों नहीं लिया? Why not just go to dad?
Because my ego was crushed. I had to prove myself I'm worth something without my parents. I believed in myself. And once you go out there, once you get into that hustle of Mumbai city life, until you don't prove yourself, you feel like you've done nothing.
यार मुझे ना मैं बात बताओ, genuinely बात बताओ. मैं अभी just before this also I said the same thing and I find that nepotism thing very stupid. Because अगर मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ ना, I would want my children to, of course. मैं उनको नहीं बोलूँगा जाओ बेटा मैंने इस हीरो रख दिया उसके लिए जाके काम करो. Any penny, anything that I build, I would definitely want my sons to take it. और बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट तो ये मेरे को बड़ा अजीब लगता है क्योंकि अगर आपको उससे वो पुल भी मिल गया ना, आप बाबा आप अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हो ना, तो आपको ये लोग नहीं, हम सारे मतलब नहीं पसंद करेंगे. You know what I mean?
But the thing is, when this journey I was on, of this 2 years of unable to crack it, I went to my dad's set. He was doing a show called The Drama Company for Sony.
Of course.
With Krishna and all these people. And Sabir Khan, the director of Hero Panti and Munna Michael and Baghi, he spotted me from afar. And he said, Namashi, you're a star. And confidently, like, you're a star. तुझे पता नहीं है शायद, तू star है. So, but I'm like, will you make a movie with me? But the confidence comes from a place where people just believe in you. When I met Shanu Sharma from Yashraj Film, Shanu ma'am, I love you. She told me that you're an actor. I don't know about a star, but tu actor hai. And she pushed me for one film called Mardani, and then Vishal Jetwa did the role, and Vishal was way better than me. So things were not clicking, but I was getting very good responses. And then I reached a point where in my life where I got a bit depressed. I'm like, maybe, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. At least not under the limits that I've put myself in. And then in 2019 March, I came back and a producer named Sajid Qureshi, he hit me up and I went to meet him. And he knew whose son I was. And he was a huge fan of my dad. So he said, just like you, you're the same, you're a fair Mithun, I want to make a film with you. And I'm like, yeah, everybody says that. And a week later, he told me, I have a director who wants to meet you. If he likes you, we're making this film. I enter the office, it's Rajkumar Santoshi, the director of Andaz Apna Apna and all those legendary films. Rajji the legend.
Of course.
And he looks at me and he stares at me for like a minute. And Raji doesn't have expressions when he's thinking. Just stares at you and he says, I like this boy, let's make the film. And then I'm like, Raji, do you know who I am? He's like, yeah, I saw your picture, I knew who you are because he also had stayed in Monarch. So then I called my dad and mom. I was like, abhi sign kiya maine picture with Santoshi. So they're like, kar bhi li sign, pucha bhi nahi. I'm like, it's not, ye puchne ka time nahi. I've got a film, I'm doing it. But after 3 years, I got Bad Boy, my first film. And I got it with Rajji. But those 3 years for me prepared me for so many things, Ankit. But I'm so glad I did that.
It'll make you a lot tougher. वो बात सही है.
हाँ.
That is there for sure. But मैं बोल रहा था कि you have gone through the grind, which is great. Not a lot of people do that when they have it.
That's their choice, na?
Correct. So it will definitely, make you thick skin and it'll make you tougher. वो है.
I'll tell you a hilarious story. I used to go to this gym called 48 Fitness.
ठीक है.
Okay, where Shahid used to come, Ritik used to come, Tiger used to come. And they all knew me because they had seen me as a child or at Mimo ke through. So they're like, तू कब launch हो रहा है, तू कब launch हो रहा है? I'm like, मुझे, I can't tell them, मेरी band बजी पड़ी है. So there were some other actor friends of mine who were also pursuing acting.
ठीक है.
And they're like, we're going for this audition, that audition. और मैं उनको eavesdrop नहीं होता, क्या कहते हैं उसको. सुन के मैं भी वहाँ चले जाता था. They're like, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? एक तो you don't have to stand in line. Secondly, if they come to know who you are, they won't audition us. Funnily, those casting directors never called me in. My friends auditioned because they didn't know who I was. So then they came out and said, dude, you're messing up your legacy. You should not stand in line. And what they didn't understand is that I'm not standing there for legacy. I'm standing there for myself. My worth. If they end up getting a film before me or an ad before me, it's on their talent, yeah. So I have seen even that happen. And then they got very excited. They're like, even if you're struggling, then we are also happy. I'm like, I'm not struggling, but I've chosen this path. So I can very proudly say, till date, my parents have not put a single penny on a single film of mine. I've done 3 films till now as a lead actor. I mean, 2 as a lead, 1 as an antagonist. Not a single rupee. Everything on my merit.
पता है ना 32 का ये खाली तो भी.
क्या?
You're just 32, you know that, no?
I'm 33.
33, okay, well done, but you're just
Thank you,
33,
thank
you do know that, no?
Thank you. Yes.
I mean,
I feel old, yeah. I don't know about you.
he good. No, I to feel very old. इधर जोड़ दो. But good on you, brother. Very, very
Thank
good. And सच्ची में I feel, I don't know why, but I feel proud.
Thank you, bro.
That's, there's someone who's actually going to the grind. Yeah, very nice. डर लगता है, but
About?
Mimo has also gone through the same phase. You have seen his ups and downs. क्या लगता है जब वो देखते हो तो?
When Mimo was launched.
डर is a wrong word, sorry. Anxiety होती है. I don't know what nervousness होती है.
Yeah. So what happened ना 2008 में Mimo आया था. Mimo was touted as a huge star. The film didn't work. He was great. He was good in it, but the film was very bad. It didn't work. तभी स्टारकिड का आना ना लोगों में एक्साइटमेंट लाता था. हाँ, बच्चन साहब का बेटा, राकेश रोशन का बेटा, मिठुन दा का बेटा. आज स्टारकिड गाली हो गया है. When you're getting launched, you're a nepo baby, you're a nepo kid, you're a privileged, you're a scoundrel. So, except for a few exceptions like Ranbir, Alia, these people, Varun, who have become stars, most star kids have been trolled mercilessly. Some are not good actors, so perhaps they get extra. But today, being a star kid is a bigger challenge. So, for today's generation, people, I'm so sorry, I keep messing
No, don't worry about that.
For today's people who are like me, I'm just one film old, we have to be exceptionally talented to survive. We cannot be mediocre. So it's a very difficult space to break in for star kids. So I don't feel pressure of living up to my dad's legacy. I just hope people accept me because I'm a star kid. Because a lot of people don't want us to succeed anymore.
It's very
Social media है या जो भी है, हाँ.
It's a lot of PR, but it is also very, मेरे को बहुत अजीब लगता है when I hear this.
क्या?
कि ये नेपो बेबी नेपो किड मेरे को बहुत weird लगता है. मेरा ना इधर से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ and I can get away with it, right? Because I am not
Correct.
what where you are and I don't want to become what you are, right? But having said that, no, it बहुत अजीब लगता है brother कि नेपो किड यार ये क्या लॉजिक ही नहीं. अगर नेपो किड इतना, अगर ये सब ड्रामा होता, ऋतिक रोशन होता आज के टाइम पे. ऋतिक रोशन टैलेंटेड नहीं है, ऋतिक रोशन डांसर नहीं है, ऋतिक रोशन गुड लुकिंग नहीं है. मेरे को ये बात ना बहुत मेरे को बीपी है होता था मेरा सुन के. मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता ब्रदर. बट यू हैव गॉट अ वेरी यूनिक चार्म टू योरसेल्फ.
Thank you.
प्लीज continue on the
And
path.
today, just today, in the camera, Ahan Pandey has been launched in a
Yes.
film called Sayara. And my darling, you've become a star. His film has taken a bumper opening.
देखिए.
नहीं, मैं तो अभी busy था आज, but he's become a star. I think it's going to be a 100 crore film. So
Is it?
yes, he's Ananya's cousin,
I know. Yes,
Jackson's nephew. He's a star overnight. So if people love you, nobody can stop
Stop
you.
you. बराबर है.
But if you, I mean, anyway,
बात तो ठीक है.
of course, like in your field, there may be 100 podcasters. Tomorrow your son becomes a podcaster. What's his fault, na?
Yeah. Correct.
Just because my dad was. But he will only survive if he's as good as you or or in the same level as you. I don't think children can surpass their parents, yaar.
Depends, yaar.
In the same light,
You look at Rakesh sir was again a big star, but you look at Hrithik Roshan, come on man, he's
but he became a director, na then.
but also as a legacy wise अगर आप देखोगे तो he was also an actor, he is also a director. Why Hrithik Roshan is one of the biggest things India has ever produced.
Absolute.
You remember when कहो ना प्यारे came out? भाई हम लोग कितने साल के थे उस टाइम पे?
I was 9.
हाँ मेरा भी कुछ ऊपर 4-5 साल ऊपर नीचे कर लो. हाँ बट मैं स्कूल से आता था ना, सेकंड हाफ उसका मैं हर रोज देखता था ब्रदर. Where he became the dude. Huh?
What a charismatic star.
God,
What a
come on.
superstar.
Come on. So I don't, भाई मेरे को नहीं समझ में आती है नेपो पेपो वाली बात. How do you, जब मिलते हो आप, सलमान से मिलते हो आप, अमित जी से मिलते हो, and you meet these bigger, how do they treat you? कैसा?
Like their son, yeah.
ले baby थे.
Like their son. And I must tell you that it might sound very odd, but my best friend in the industry is Mr. Bachchan.
अच्छा.
I am his SMS buddy. Whenever I want some post to do, I bug him, I irritate him. He puts it up for me like a sweetheart. He responds to me like without fail. Some stars don't respond to me, but the greatest legend responds to me.
Yeah.
So I can proudly say I am friends with Amitabh Bachchan sir. Mr. Bachchan is my friend. And he's the most humble man I know.
Good.
He never asks me kya posting hai, kya hai. He just puts it up. It just shows up on his feed.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And he really loves my dad. Yeah. So I would say, and with Salman Bhai, it's different because Salman Bhai is always a bindas guy. If he likes you, he likes you. He doesn't like you, he'll say it on your face. And another actor that I am very close to is Govinda. Chichi Bhaiya. Every December 21st, I go to his bungalow.
Yeah.
I pakao him on his birthday. And so these three people I've grown up with.
अच्छा.
But Mr. Bachchan is my buddy.
Mr. Bachchan is a buddy, yeah. It'll be, I would like to be a, fly on a wall between your and his conversation.
Oh, he's a sweetheart. And this is what humility is. I watched Kalki and I messaged him saying, you are the goat. And he replied saying, ha, okay. That's humility. That's humility.
Yeah. Only he can do that. But good यार. I'm very, पता है मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इसे मिलके आज. I don't know why. कब से हमारी बात चल रही है देख finally,
And I must tell you guys, I reached out to him.
What
That's
difference
the
is that?
truth. I reached out to him and I'm like, please interview me because you're one of the very few people who makes the person feel comfortable.
I don't know about that, bro, but I am very, very happy. My heart is full. I don't know. After meeting you, there's something I don't know. I don't know. It'll come to me in a bit. प्रोडक्शन का कैसे शौक चढ़ रहा है और डायरेक्शन का भी कीड़ा मुझे दिख रहा है.
Because see, I wanted to always be a director also, but not as aggressively as an actor. So in the recent times, I got an iPhone, a beautiful iPhone, which I realized can make you a film. Yeah. So I'm like, what am I waiting for? So I landed in LA last September, a week after my birthday, a day after my birthday actually. And I said, I'm making my first film. I had 3 scenes written. I shot them. I came back. and I finished my film. It's called Ghost as of now, and 90% of that film is shot on an iPhone.
I'd love to see it.
Yeah, we are in the last post-production phase, so by October it should be released this year. Touch wood.
Doesn't it take time off the process of all the parts of becoming an actor?
It doesn't, because जैसे ही Ghost हुई, when I signed the Bengal Files with Vivek Agnihotri sir, which is releasing in September, 5th of September. So I managed.
हो जाता है.
I managed.
Now you've been into this about what, 4-5 years?
Production.
नहीं,
Acting, yeah, 6 years.
6 years.
Professionally, I've been acting since I was 9.
Ah,
Home
of course.
movies included. And I used to do stand-up here in Habitat in Khar. Improv. I used to do comedy improv. I used to do stand-up.
Why do
without
you know about this?
Because our videos have been taken off online. We
Yeah.
were very controversial.
अच्छा इतना हाँ?
We were very controversial.
क्या बोल
You
दिया?
see, in improvised comedy, na, you don't have a script.
आप समय से पहले ये सब कर रहे थे.
तो public जब आती थी, अगर उनका suggestion है, let's say a politician, you have to make a skit on that person. And if you don't have a script, you get nervous and you end up doing a lot to make people laugh. So I think we had crossed our line. So that's why I don't talk much about it, but it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, because I didn't get any of this. I was quite surprised कि नहीं, it's just like the first time hearing of this.
हाँ.
Wow, yeah, good. अभी कभी कभार frustration हो रही है.
Because see, I have already done a film with Rajkumar Santoshi, my film with Vivek sir, Bengal Files. It's up for release in 2 months. I am very happy with my role in that film. I'm doing another film with Mahesh and Vikram Bhatt called Virat. So I'm quite happy with what I have here. I'm not a cribber.
Not going that far.
I don't like being a bechara. I'm very happy in my own domain. I'm in my own space. I'm not competing with anyone. I'm in my own space here. If I have to succeed, I'll succeed. If I think about all these things, I'm going to be affected by it. And the industry reminds you every day how important it is to be relevant. And I think it's bullshit, yeah. My father doesn't do a single interview if he doesn't want to. And there is no greater star than him. I've been to Russia. I shot for my film. I shot a song in Russia, St. Petersburg, for Bad Boy. A young woman, half my age. I thought they're coming to meet me. I was so excited. I opened my hands, Shah Rukh Khan style. They went this way. So, what greater star than that?
यार
क्या हुआ?
कुछ हुआ ना मेरे को.
कुछ तो
हाँ हाँ नहीं कोई नहीं कंटिन्यू. हाँ फिर यार
So, I've seen that euphoria.
no two doubts, yeah. Yeah, for me, like if I'm serious, like you have to understand one thing. Amazing, you're a charmer, no doubt, no two doubts about it. Like right now, if I see Mithun, you will see that like I was just telling the boys before this, कि when I was at some place, रात के टाइम पे Dutt walked in, Sanjay Dutt walked.
Oh man.
मैं ना ऐसे जैसे हम लोग बैठे ना, मैं उठ गया था. मैं अभी बता रहा था इन लोगों को, मैं उठ गया था. और मेरे साथ नहीं होता ये. Anyone can walk in. There are very few people who I see and I'm like, I'll stand up. You know what I mean? Mithun is one of them. Salman bhai is one of them. You know, there are very certain personalities that
Absolutely.
you know what I mean? वो होता है यार. So that was the phenom which was.
And I'm sure your parents have seen the heyday of my dad.
Of
na?
course.
They
I have seen, brother. I used to. So my father's a big movie buff, na? So he used to watch. So I had no choice but to watch. He used to watch two things very sincerely. One was wrestling and one was Hindi films.
So wrestling with the WWF.
हाँ उस समय में बहुत शौक था यार उनको भी. तो ये दोनों चीजें I also picked up very sincerely.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So I have seen all, bro. All that you name a movie, I have seen it. There are few I have seen some 200 bari, like so those Mora. The Akshay Kumar's that the one with the Undertaker.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
Oh. अभी भी लगा दो मैं देख लूंगा.
Classics, yeah.
केबल को फोन करके बोलता था मैं तो लगाओ उसको.
But where were you at this time?
This time I used to come to Delhi.
You were in India.
And vacation आता था ना तो केबल होता था उस टाइम पे. लगाओ ये लगाओ. ये movie लगाओ. You know all of that. So I have huge movie buff. You have no idea.
Yeah.
So no frustration there, which is great for you, and I'm really happy for you. आगे जाते हुए अभी there are certain limitations which will come, like you said, with the whole Nepo thing and the non-Nepo thing.
Yeah.
Path कैसा लग रहा है आगे जाते हुए? Because you've given 6 years right now and you're getting roles, you're getting there. Speed up करने की itch होती है, क्या होती है? Creatively अंदर क्या itch हो रही है?
Well, unfortunately, Ankit bhai, the thing is that Bollywood is no longer welcoming to actors who are no longer a part of their agencies or their production.
This was my next thing I was going to.
So what happens is that I will tell you a funny story. I won't name the person. That's very disrespectful. A film critic now works for a casting agency. You have figured out.
Yeah.
You have figured
Oh
out.
my God.
ठीक है?
Of course.
So he called me to his office.
Yeah.
And he told me, you know, कुछ करते हैं. And my face, I had that rest face when I looked at him. And he told me that he named 10 actors. कि ये actors हैं उसमें. Are you okay to be the 11th actor? Which is also in a way to say, we are full, whatever. I said, okay, name your 10 actors. मुझे बहुत बोल रहा है, you know, तू ये कर देगा. वो जो होता है usual. So I'm like, okay, you can't keep me as your 11th actor. I don't want to be on your 11th priority. Tell me your actors that you have signed. He named 10 actors, new kids. And he said, it's a talent agency. I said, इसमें art को तो acting ही नहीं आती. तेरी talent agency कैसे हो सकती है? I told him this. Yeah, and I'm like, listen, I'm not anyone to underestimate someone's talent, but these people have proven to be poor performers. You will not believe it, Ankit Bhai. Since that meeting in 2022 to now, those actors have still survived. Why? Because they are signed by a particular agency, a production, or a particular director.
This was what I was going to
Yeah,
talk to you about next. कितना ज़रूरी है आज के टाइम पे एक फुल फ्लेज पीआर टीम जो विराल में रील भेज रही है, एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं तो फोटोग्राफर्स बुला रही है. कितना ज़रूरी है एक मैनेजर जो आपके बिहाफ नेगोशिएट कर रहा है. ऑल दैट प्लेथोरा ऑफ XYZs that go with being a star or with being an actor rather, not even a star. Nowadays, you would be shocked. Actor, I mean, you know better, of course.
Yeah.
कितना ज़रूरी है वो सब?
It's important. I mean, it depends how you look at it. I find it useless. I didn't go to a single city in India when my film was coming, Bad Boy. मैं हर जगह गया हूँ to promote my film. My film released on Friday. My film bombed on Friday. Nobody went to see it. So हम कितना भी ढिंडोरा पीट लें, if people are not interested to watch your film, nothing's going to make a difference. So I feel it is a useless exercise. Yeah, this is my opinion. Because if you're doing it to succeed at box office, it makes no difference.
Yeah, you're right.
It makes no difference.
You're right. I feel एक ट्रेलर देख के एक इंसान डिसाइड कर लेता है कि जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. At least with me.
100%.
Yeah.
It is instinct.
Yeah. Because वो आजकल वैसे भी शॉर्ट्स पर, you know how it is, right? Like bum 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 bum. Everyone's doing it at night. Span इतना छोटा हो गया, right? Like you see the 2-minute trailer, you know, okay, this is a movie that I'm really like, I want to go and watch, you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
It's like that. But PRs or self PRs नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
They can only
Recognition wise.
They can only put up your story. So what we have to do is, Rohini Iyer handles my PR. She's a sweetheart. She told me the same thing. We can get you the pages. We can get you Viral Vayani and all these people. How much you attract people is on you. We cannot make stars. We can put you out there. So आज के time पे कोई star है भी नहीं firstly, right? But I genuinely feel if it's useless, don't do it. Don't waste money. Do it if it's useful. If it gets you traction.
Right.
नहीं तो क्या point है यार, जिम के बाहर आके जिम या कहाँ जा रहा हूँ मैं एयरपोर्ट, how does it make a difference? My dad also says, ये लोग आते कहाँ से यार? You know, Jagu Dada gets so annoyed.
Yeah. See
क्या वेंडी क्या?
तब लोग फिर आ गए.
And these guys have been stars when there were no mobile phones. Forget social media, yaar. For them, it's like, what the hell are you doing at my face?
Yeah. I think overexposability भी हो गई, overexposed भी हो रहे हैं ना social media पे यार. Like if I can see what you're doing when you're doing, then it's like a star is something that you can see which you can't touch.
But now they don't exist.
Like I am liking your photos here. Like it's too much relatability for me. Ranveer that way has played it well because apparently he's not on social media.
And he's before social media era anyway.
Anyways, precisely. But वो आए भी नहीं है तो you know he's still got that
A mystery to him.
Yeah, some mystique is there. Okay, क्या कर रहा है? You know what I mean?
बिल्कुल 100%.
So I think that has a part to play as well. Okay, so नहीं फर्क तो नहीं पड़ेगा ये सब भी हर.
I was off social media for a year. Last year. So what happened was in July I deactivated my first account. I started working on Ghost since I was directing. Then I got Bengal Files. So I was preparing for that. I'm playing the main villain in that film. So it was a very big challenge for me to do that character. And I signed Virat with Vikram Bhatt. So I said, यार अब ये social media ये girlfriend से बात करना boring होने वाला है. I got off it for a year. Everybody told me तेरा जो जितनी भी तुझे लोग जानते थे, despite giving a flop, people are going to forget you. I said, I have no problem. They will remember me on my Friday when I'm coming. Insecurity is put in your head. Nobody wants to be insecure here. We are already insecure. Every Friday a new person comes or a good performance comes, we all get fat out. कि कोई आ गया है. Like Ahan Pandey आज आया है. I can guarantee you 9 out of 10 heroes are having sleepless nights. Because we are chasing that. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. उसकी किस्मत में है तो बनेगा ही. Correct? So you don't have to be insecure because somebody else tells you that. Like this Mike, which keeps... Mike is almost like my ex-girlfriend. Keeps coming back and forth. So have you been to Mumbai? Like, you know Mumbai का चप्पा चप्पा Mud Island पता है ना? आपको तो पता ही होगा. I live very far. I live in Mud, so I take a boat to get home. Fancy 1 minute का boat ride है from Warsaw to Mud.
Okay. Oh wow.
So I live far away in the outskirts of Bombay. I'm away. Me, Pankaj Tripathi, Vikrant Masi, we are neighbors.
अच्छा.
हम दुनिया के शोर से दूर है, इसलिए हमारा थोड़ा मानसिक संतुलन ठीक है.
You feel like you're a I don't know if you take
Islander.
नहीं. Don't take it the wrong way, but you feel you're a 42 in a 32-year-old body.
52.
So you get that feeling?
100%.
You are way more mature than your age.
So whenever I meet Pankaj ji at the jetty, I ask him क्या picture कर रहे हो, and he has the best reply. He's like, घर जाऊंगा तेरी भाभी के हाथ का खाना खाऊंगा, पिक्चर की बात मत कर. That's his vibe. Vikrant Masi will never talk about work. Vineet Kumar lives there. Archana Puran Singh lives there. Mud वाले लोग chill है bro. So how do you feel after these podcasts with these celebrities, and you have only interviewed cream people,
yeah, the veteran
company like right now included.
Kapoor.
So how do you feel? How is the response in Dubai, Mumbai? Do people come up to you? Do people DM you? Okay, bro, we are watching you.
Yeah, I get that. I not as much as the rest of the guys, I'm sure, but I get some. I have a few people who'll come once in a year or twice in a year and say, "Hi, we've seen you. You're doing good work." That's all that is needed. Yeah, and the thing is, na, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ because I'm really having fun. Like, you know, I don't follow scripts. I don't do any of that. I ask you what I want to know, what I feel people will want to know. You know what I mean? So this game I wanted to start ages back.
Before the podcast became a phenomenon.
Yeah. So all of us started after seeing one gentleman called Joe Rogan and one or two more.
Joe Rogan is amazing. He's amazing.
तो काफी जितनो जो रोगन की डील हुई थी स्पॉटिफाई के साथ 100 या 200 मिलियन डॉलर की.
बाप रे.
उसके बाद से ना तो समझ में आ गई लोगों को इस चीज से पैसा बनता है. तब सबने शुरू कर दिया. बट उससे पहले about 7 years back also no one knew he had a podcast. I used to watch him then because you do USC and I used to follow them since a very long time. तब से मेरे को शौक था. But anyways, yeah. So,
no, but do you feel that podcasters should be podcasters? Because recently a very big one was in deep trouble.
yeah.
We won't name the person, but you know what I'm talking.
Yeah, you can name him also. Ranveer is fine.
But do you think it was justified to kind
देखो ना वो he's also young. And I mean, I keep saying he's young. I've said it 10 times before, and he's not that far away from my age. First of all, I am not some. Yeah, that's one. But हो जाता है यार. वो आप ना वो क्या होता है ना कि कई दफा आप comedians की company में like if you're a comic, right? I will try and be as funny as I possibly can to maintain that frequency. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll crack jokes which I shouldn't because I am not a comic. I am okay with this. Let me stick to this. वो ना वो someone I know also said that उसने उड़ता हुआ तीर लिया उसमें. तो वो उसको नहीं लेना था.
Because I think now podcasters have become stars.
Yeah.
You have to be very careful. You're also public figures now.
Thank you, brother, for saying that. But yeah.
And it's a fact. Whatever you say matters today.
Audience relates to you. Not to me, rather. I mean, what I'm saying is कि आप you're not a star. वो जो आज जैसे आपने बोला कि nepotism and all that. You're a nobody. You're just speaking. You're just sharing your thoughts. You're just speaking your heart out, right? If 1 or 2 or 3, 4 people like you and they agree to your thought process, you will say, okay, यार ये बंदा ठीक है. You know what I mean? And I would like to probably just meet him and say, okay, good job or whatever. So एको relatability हो रही है.
Yeah, because I think Amir Khan, who's such an introvert, he's given 4 hour interviews, 2 hour interviews, 5 hour interviews. Yeah.
Just बातें करनी है. गप्पे लड़ा दी है.
But comfort is very important. Yeah.
So
it's a new big market.
Yeah. But now it is, I feel too much. It's too many. Yeah.
But everybody wants it, yeah.
More conversations, more fun. More reels, good fun. Creative line ना I feel like boat है. Everyone sails in the same direction. थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंच जाओगे और थोड़ा एक correct destination पे पहुंचोगे. Correct team मिलना कितना जरूरी होता है?
It is the most essential thing.
और मुश्किल कितना है?
मुश्किल है if you don't have creative, like you have a creative mind. That's why your conversations are interesting. You're naturally very creative. I think people who are creative and they know who they are now, they will always find the right people. Unlike that talent agency. So if your intentions are right now, you will always find the right people. And without your team, you're nothing. So everybody here is making us look good. Imagine she's tried to make me look handsome. What a huge task for her, yeah. She somehow managed it. So she is so important. Her team is important, yeah. Very important.
Yeah, that's true. Mom dad कितना एडवाइस देते हैं अभी आगे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना चाहिए?
करियर एडवाइस इतना नहीं मिलता है अब बिकॉज दे हैव सीन कि चलो इंडिपेंडेंट है खुद से कमा लेता है पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत एडवाइस है आजकल they want me to settle down.
I was just going to say, right?
I knew it. I could read your mind.
Yeah, because when you said that, I had a feeling that, at least,
They'll be very happy if I get married. And we are looking, देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. But their advices have now become very less because I'm very calm in life now. मैं बहुत शांत हो गया हूँ. So अब they know कि ठीक है कर लेगा. But they would be very happy if I tie the knot.
Would you soon so? Would you?
If I find the person, for sure.
Really, this soon?
Alright, done यार. I want to have kids. Like you, I'm inspired by you यार. तो हंस रहा है ऐसे जैसे. I think children are beautiful, yeah.
Of course they are.
And I think they'll frighten the fuck out of me.
Yeah.
Did it frighten you? How was parenthood, by the way?
It didn't kick in for the first year.
And were you?
After they kicked, then it kicked in. After they kicked me, then it kicked in, bro.
How old are they?
Bro, I've got 6 years old, and the other one's brand new. Price tag भी नहीं उतारे उसके. He's about. Yeah, he's 4 years old now. He's going to turn 4. But I feel they're so small. मेरे को लगता है अभी हुए हैं यार. You know, अभी
What's the one change you see in yourself?
I've become very calm.
See?
But I think after marriage only I've become very calm. But not this calm. No, you're right. Yeah, this has happened now. Like anyone who knows me from before and anyone who knows me from now, I am talking too much about myself today. It's not good.
No, I asked you that. I asked you that.
Yeah. So I've become very calm, brother. After kids, no, that's one thing that has happened. Like really, like कोई पहले से मुझे अगर जानता हो how wild I used to be and the things I did and how I was in comparison to abhi, I feel I'm not a fraction of a person that I was when I was say 28, 27, 29 maybe.
So you're happy with your transition?
Very happy. I am extremely happy and you will love it, to be honest.
Hopefully.
When you get there, you will really love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it takes a time to kick in. I think for the mother, it's like boom, right? Like you're a mother. For the father, it takes about 10 दिन ना तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आती होता क्या. It's like that.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's a huge responsibility.
You'll the best thing I think what you'll see is you'll see how Mithun sir and your mother react. I think you will love that.
Yes.
How are they with the Mimo and
Bhabhi?
Yeah.
Best friends. My Bhabhi is their beloved. She's a pampered. She's like their daughter now. And the one thing good about my parents is that they believe in personal space. So, Bhaiya and Bhabhi have their own space, their own life to lead. And they're always there for him. See, we live in one bungalow in Mud Island. So, we're always together. But we get our space, which is a blessing. And I think Bhabhi also has been a wonderful addition to the family.
That's good. Yeah. Ab batao what's coming next? What are we doing next? And where are we? When are we seeing you?
September 5th, the Bengal Files. You'll watch me on the big screen. That's coming. Then there's Ghost, directed by me, of course, hopefully by October. And then there is Virat, which is in February.
Okay.
So, एक में villain, दो में hero.
Very
So,
nice.
not too bad, yeah. This
OTT पे करेगा काम अगर आएगा तो?
Bro, I will tell you the most honest thing. Last Saturday, I went to watch a play at Prithvi Theatre. Makaran Deshpande is my acting teacher, by the way.
Okay, wow. Okay.
So he was doing a play called Piyakkad. Brilliant. As soon as that play got over, I messaged him saying, "Sir, let's do a play." I'm itching to go to theatre again. For me, language, the medium, the role does not matter. As long as I am doing something related to film, to storytelling, to acting, I'm willing. OTT ho, TV ho, theater ho, film ho. I want to work. I come from that mindset. I don't believe in being just a movie star. Very limiting to think like that. So I'm itching to do theater now. Makaran sir has inspired me to return to theater. So I think I might be doing a play very soon. Any space that I feel I can do, मैं करूँगा. I'm not restricted to languages either. जहाँ अच्छा काम मिलेगा, I'll jump to it.
घर पे ज्यादा क्या बोलते हो? हिंदी, इंग्लिश, महाराष्ट्र, बंगाली?
So there's a rule. So we used to live with our grandparents, my dad's parents, they both have passed away. So there was a rule, if you want to be in Hindi films, घर में सिर्फ हिंदी बात कर. Bengali करनी है तो Bengali, English करनी है तो English. So we were taught to speak in Hindi. And partially Marathi because, you know, of course, we live here, but Hindi, घर पे हिंदी बोलते हैं.
But आती है वैसे बंगाली, तमिल तो I know you can, at least you can
I
understand.
can understand Bengali, I can't speak it very well. Tamil I can fluently understand.
Mom क्या बनाती है खाने को वैसे ज्यादा घर पे?
Dad बनाते हैं. Dad is a cook.
Really?
Yeah, mom only cooks when she's in LA.
हाँ.
Because America में जाके you realize there is no such thing as a cook or a
Hell, brother.
yeah, you are bloody independent. But dad cooks here whenever he gets
He cooks well?
extraordinary. You should come home next time. यार. तू लंबे time के लिए आएगा ना. Just come. Are you non-veg?
Yeah, but I eat only chicken, bro.
हाँ, so his chicken biryani is to die for.
Oh, I've been waiting to eat it.
And his food dishes are to die for.
अच्छा.
Kuch new recipes and
अच्छा, he enjoys the process.
he enjoys making food and he loves to feed people. You know, see, the theory with him is that he used to starve for food when he came to Bombay to become a hero, to become an actor. So for him, feeding people is his greatest success. That I could not feed my own self, but today I can feed people. That is success for him. So every bite you take of his homemade food, he feels like a successful person. So that's him, you know. And we are a crazy foodie family anyway. You will not believe it. From the last 1 week, I'm not dieting. I checked my weighing scale. I've gone into depression, यार. उसमें 2 और पैग ना मार लूँ मैं.
So, my friend, before I let you go,
Yes,
दुबई आए हो?
बिल्कुल.
कैसी लगती है जगह?
Outstanding.
What do you like about the place? How do you find it? What is it to you?
It's the future. Dubai is the future. When I come to Mumbai, I realized that is the future. We had stayed in Atlantis, the Palm, for 3 days. My dad took us on a holiday. I was like, where is this place? 3 घंटे दूर. कभी कभी तो मड आइलैंड से टाउन जाने में 3 घंटे लगते हैं. उतने में दुबई पहुंच गया था मैं.
बराबर.
But it is the future, yeah. The food is amazing. The people are amazing. I've not been lately. I've been like 10 years ago, but outstanding, yeah.
When you are there, you have to see it from our eyes to understand
Absolutely.
the real this thing. So next time you're there, I'm hitting you up and we are having a lot of fun for sure. So yes, my friend, I want to see much more of you. And मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को ना पता नहीं, I don't know why I feel like just hugging you and saying that I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, man.
Keep on the journey. And like I said, if you can laugh in the face of adversity, yeah, you are bulletproof. And I don't know why I feel like this is when I meet you and I sit with you, I feel there's a warmth, but there's also a storm. There's a calm before that storm. So seriously, brother, everything else, continue on the path. The world does not know what they have coming.
Chalo, let's hope for that, yeah.
Honest to God.
I believe you.
I good, because it's going to happen.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you.
Tatastu, God bless and thank you for making time for time on मेरे भाई.
Absolutely.
And